Good morning to all. Good morning very much. See here. Happy morning, all of you. I know you all are facing a problem with this all corona time, but this is only the time when you can prepare yourself. So utilize this time with a very proper manner, in a very proper manner. Okay? And I know that you are JKIDS students, so you are all managing your studies very properly. And though the syllabus has been reduced, though what will happen in future we don't know, but we still are giving our 100% and know that you are also giving your 110% at your home. Thank you. So let's start our session with same exercise, that is 3.6. Question number 5 we are seeing in this video. So see, it is equation reducible to standard form to linear equation in two variable. अब इसको कैसा करेंगे देखो, यहाँ पे अपॉन में x into y है. So what we will do, one thing is that we will multiply or what we will separate the numerator and denominators. वो आप कर सकते हो, numerator और denominator क्या कर दो, separate कर दो. So what you will get, see, if you separate them, suppose you can do this as equation 1. आपको देना है तो आप कितने भी इक्वेशन के नाम दे सकते हो, नहीं तो आप आपकी इच्छा से जो आपको करना है वो. So equation 1 क्या आ जाएगा, यहाँ पे देखो, equation 1 will give, if you will separate them, 7x upon xy minus 2y upon xy is equals to 5. Right? Now what it will become? X get cancelled, y get cancelled. What it is become? What it has become now? 7 upon y minus 2 upon x is equals to 5. Right? You can go through it also. Change करो, separate करो. 8x upon xy plus 7y upon xy is equals to 15. So now x get cancelled, y get cancelled. So this equation will become now 8 upon y plus 7 upon x is equals to 15. Now see, such type of questions you have solved. So give this as equation number 3, this as equation number 4. Now further we can solve. Now it's very easy. Now it put, assume 1 by x is equals to a, or 1 by y equals to a, and 1 by x is equals to b. So what equation third will imply? Third equation implies that 7 upon y means क्या आ जाएगा वो, 7a minus 2b equals to 5, and equation 4 will implies that 8a plus 7b is equals to 15. So we'll give this equation now as equation 5, and this equation as equation number 6. Right? Now you can solve this equation by any one of the method. You can go by substitution also, or you can go by elimination also. So we will go by any one of the method. चलो, यहाँ पे अगर आपको कोएफिशिएंट ऑफ b सेम डालना होगा तो 14 इज पॉसिबल. कोएफिशिएंट ऑफ a सेम डालना होगा तो थोड़ा minus 7 to the 14b is equals to 7 by the 35. This we can give as equation number 7. Next, this equation 6 we are multiplying by 2. 8 to the 16a plus 7 to the 14b is equals to 15 to the 30. Equation number 8. Right? 7 1, this one is 8. Now, as the coefficient of b are same, we can cancel it, we can eliminate it by, अब देखो बहुत दिन बाद अपने को एक प्रॉब्लम ऐसा मिला जहां पे जिसका कोएफिशिएंट सेम है उसके साइन डिफरेंट है, तो जब साइन डिफरेंट है तो वी यूज टू ऐड, तो इक्वेशन 7 प्लस इक्वेशन 8, equation 7 plus equation 8. What it will give to us? 7 plus 8. What is 7? 49a. 49a plus 14b is equals to 35. And 16a minus 14b is equals to 30. क्या करना है? Addition. No signs are going to change. बरोबर है? Yes. Now 30 plus 35 is 65. These both will get cancelled. This is also equals to 65a. So what will be the value of a? A is equals to 1. 65 divided by 65, that is 1. Now put a is equals to 1 in equation, कोई भी एक इक्वेशन में पुट कर सकते हो आप a की वैल्यू. I am putting suppose in equation number 5. In equation 5, what you will get? Equation 5 will give, equation 5 will imply, what it will imply? This is equation 5. 7a मतलब 7 into 1 minus 2b is equals to 5. Now minus 2b is equals to 7 को उधर देख दो, 5 minus 7. Now minus 2b is equals to minus 2. So b is equals to again 1. So a is also equals to 1 and b is also equals to 1. Now what we have to do? What we have assumed? 1 by y equals to a and 1 by x equals to b. Now, yeah, but we have, what we have? 1 by x equals to a, 1 by y equals to b. So 1 by x equals to 1 and 1 by y equals to b. b is also 1. So x will also be equals to 1 and y will also be equals to 1. Both are same. ठीक है? आप लिख सकते हो फिर therefore solution of given equation is 1, 1. ठीक है? So by this way we can go and we can find out the value of x and y. Means we can find out the solution of the given equation. Next that we are going to see now is 8th one. on by calling also. ठीक है. Now we will see question number 8. Question number 8 is 1 upon 3x plus y, 1 upon 3x plus y plus 1 upon 3x minus y is equals to 3 upon 4, and another one is 1 upon 2 in bracket 3x plus y minus 1 upon in bracket 3x minus y is equals to minus 1 by 8. So let's solve this question now. 3x plus y, 3x plus y, 3x minus y, 3x minus y. So easily we can substitute. Assume put 1 upon 3x plus y equals to m and 1 upon 3x minus y equals to n. What do we get now? Therefore this equation will be m plus n is equals to 3 by 4. We can use this as equation number 1, or we can simplify this also. Multiplying whole equation by 4 क्या आ जाएगा? 4m plus 4n is equals to 3. This I will give as equation number 1. क्या किया मैंने यहाँ पे इसको 4 से मल्टीप्लाई कर दिया ताकि वो सिंपल हो जाए और सॉल्व करने के लिए. This one will be 1 upon 2m plus minus is there minus 1 upon 2n is equals to 1 by 8. This also we can multiply it by 8. 8 से मल्टीप्लाई करोगे तो सब कैंसिल हो जाएंगे. यहाँ पे आ जाएगा, एक स्टेप करके बता रहा हूँ आपको. 8 into 1 by 2n minus 8 into 1 by 2n is equals to 8 into 1 by 8. 2 1 का 2 4 का means 4m minus 4n is equals to 1. This will be as equation number 2. दो इक्वेशंस मिल गए. ठीक है. If you will subtract or if you add, these two will get cancelled. Means their coefficients are also same. So we can do here one thing. Add equation 1 and equation number 2. अब इन दोनों को ऐड कर देंगे. What is equation 1? 4m plus 4n is equals to 3, and second one is 4m minus 4n is equals to 1. Add क्या आएगा? This two will get cancel. 4 plus 4 8m is equals to 3 plus 1 4. What will come now? Therefore m will be equals to 4 by 8. Therefore m is equals to 1 by 2. Now put m equals to 1 by 2 in any one of the equation. We can put, इसमें पुट कर सकते हो. ठीक है. या इसमें पुट कर सकते हो, या इसमें पुट कर सकते हो. Wherever you need you can put it. I am putting in this, but I am not given this equation. तो आप दूसरे का भी पुट कर सकते हो. इसमें पुट कर देंगे. चलो in equation number 7 what will come? Equation second will give 4m 4 into 1 by 2 minus 4m equals to 1 will be 2, or 2 minus 4m is equals to 1. 2 को उधर भेजो, minus ठीक है. Now we got the value of n and m. Now we will resubstitute what we have given. But 1 upon 3x plus y is equals to m, and 1 upon 3x minus y is equals to n. अब वो वैल्यूज पुट कर देंगे तो क्या आएगा 1 upon 3x plus y equals to m. What is m? 1 by 2. 1 upon 3x minus y is equals to n. n is 1 by 4. Now from here we can write 3x plus y is equals to क्या आया 2, and 3x minus y is equals to 4. Again we got now linear equation in two variable. फिर से इसको सॉल्व करो क्योंकि अभी अपने को x और y की वैल्यू नहीं मिली. इक्वेशन 1 हो गया, 2 हो गया. Now I will give this equation as equation number 3rd and this as equation number 4th. समझा आपको? आपने बाकी के कुछ क्वेश्चन देखे होंगे इससे पहले के, तो आपको यहाँ पे डायरेक्टली सब्स्टिट्यूट करने के बाद में ही डायरेक्टली x और y मतलब सॉल्यूशन आपको मिल जाता था. लेकिन यहाँ पे लीनियर इक्वेशन 2 वेरिएबल आ गया तो वी कैन सॉल्व इट. सो लेट्स सॉल्व. अगर इसको सॉल्व करना है तो कोएफिशिएंट ऑफ y आर आल्सो सेम, x आर आल्सो सेम. ऐड करोगे तो y कैंसिल होगा, सब्ट्रैक्ट करोगे तो x कैंसिल होगा. डिपेंड्स अपॉन अस. तो ऐड इक्वेशन 3 and 4. So what will get? 3x plus y equals to 2 and 3x minus y is equals to 4. करो ऐड. क्या आएगा? ये दोनों कैंसिल. 3x plus 3x will be 6x. 4 plus 2 will be 6. So x will be equals to 6 by 6. That is x is equals to 1. Now we can put this value of x in any one equation. So put x equals to 1 in equation. इधर नहीं पुट कर सकते, यहाँ पुट करना पड़ेगा. In 3 or 4. So वो in equation 4 times putting. What I will get? Equation 4 will imply 3 into x means 1 minus y equals to 4. 3 into 1 is 3. उधर भेजो. Minus y is equals to 4 minus 4 minus y is equals to 4 minus 4 में 4 minus 3 is 1. Therefore y will be equals to minus 1. So here in this way we got the solution of the given equation, that x equals to 1 and y equals to minus 1 is the solution of the given equation. ठीक है? So by this way we can solve all the questions of exercise 3.6 question number 1. ठीक है? Maximum I have solved. Only 2 to 3 are left.